Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinagama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Lubang wala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Malapit na ang araw.
Hey, come here. I want please introduce yourselves. Okay, introduce yourselves. Let's start with the girl from the middle.
Hi, I'm Billy Freya.
Alright, you there. Yeah, what's up? The next one.
Hi, I'm Billy Gaffney.
Billy Cassie. And of course, last but not the least, the Beanie.
Hi, I'm Billy Burns.
Beanie James. Alright, girls.